Hi, folks. This is Tom Osa. On December 5th of this year, we're going to have a huge online shopping expo. And if you're a business owner, a retailer, or someone that provides virtual goods that can be purchased online, this is the perfect platform for it. So, rocklandshopping.com. It's being organized by GMG Public Relations. It's sponsored by many entities across Rockland County, including TD Bank, Good Samaritan Hospital. Rockland Web is also a sponsor. It's hosted by the Rockland Business Women's Network, and it's being heavily promoted across the entire county via the 8 to 9 chambers of Rockland County. Our county government, thank you, Ed Day and Jeremy Schulman from the Rockland County Government Economic Development Department, as well as the Rockland Business Association. So again, if you are a business owner and you have retail goods to sell or virtual goods to sell, join us at 2 o'clock today for a virtual tour of the platform. And if you're a chamber member, you get a very, very discounted price. It's $100 to use this platform and load up hundreds and hundreds of products. The max is 100 items, but each item can have 1,000 quantity or whatever have you. So we're really looking to make let's say, a major push to be safely shopping with our fellow consumers in Rockland County. We'd like you to join us for this endeavor. So 2 o'clock today, I'll be posting the Zoom link underneath this video, and I hope you'll join us. We'll give you a walkthrough of the platform and how you can participate on the December 5th Expo for Rockland Shopping. And we hope that you have a great rest of the year and are able to get good sales because, we understand these are interesting times, but as always, we will get through this together. Take care, and if you have any questions, please comment below.